Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide TikTok following list. So first of all, open up your TikTok application. On your TikTok application, you have to click on your profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you have to click on the three horizontal lines that are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you have to tap on Privacy. In Privacy, you have to again tap on Following List. Now over here, you have to select whether you want to hide your following list or if you want everyone to see it. So as we are hiding it, I will select the option that says only you. By doing this, only you can see your following list on TikTok and others won't be able to view it. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.